Hi, I'm Mr. Aris J. Sailog, reporting about the navigating the web. First, we're going to identify what is the web. The World Wide Web is a collection of electronic documents linked together like a spider web. These documents are stored in computers called servers located around the world. The web has evolved into a global electronic publishing medium and a medium for conducting electronic commerce. What is the web made of? The web consists of your personal computer, web browser software to access the web, a connection to an internet service provider or the ISP, and also servers to host the data, routers and switches to direct the flow of data. How the web works. Web pages are stored in the web servers located around the globe. Entering the Uniform Resource Locator or the URL of a web page in your web browser or clicking a link sends a request to a server that hosts the page. The server transmits the web page data to your computer and your web browser display it on your screen. Web pages. A web page is an electronic document written in a computer language called HTML or the Hypertext Markup Language. Web pages can contain text, graphics, audio, video, and animation as well as interactive features such as data entry forms and games. Each page has a unique address known as a URL or the Uniform Resource Locator, which identifies its location on the server. Web pages usually contain the hyperlinks to the other web pages. Hyperlinks are text and images that reference the addresses of other web pages. Websites. A website consists of one or more web pages that relate to a common theme, such as a person, business, organization, or a subject such as a news or sports. The first page is called the home page, which acts like an index indicating the content of the site. From the home page, you can click links to access other pages on the site or other resources on the web. How are we going to navigating the web? Web browser gives you the ability to view and browse HTML pages found on the internet on your corporate intranet. Strata provides you with the same tools so that you can access the web and your data in context. This section will look at the tools provided to navigate the web. Navigate to a web page. Step 1. Click the Start button, then click the Internet Explorer. Step 2. In the address field at the top of the screen, enter a web address and then tap the Go icon, which is the right curving arrow. Using navigation controls. The most common controls for navigating web pages in Strata are on the navigation toolbars. 1. The URL bar, address bar, or the location bar. The most important tool for navigating web pages in the URL bar, also known as the address bar or location bar. This is the place where you can enter your web pages. Like for example of this is www.yahoo.com. Enter the web page you wish to go and then click the enter button to load the page. The home button. On the left of the URL bar is a home icon, which will take you to your home page. By default, this is set to one of the Kirik help page. However, you can set this to something else by selecting option from the tools menu, which will pop up an option dialog. Select the general tab and then change the home page accordingly. back and forward icon. The two arrows on the far left of the toolbar are the back and forward buttons. This gives you the ability to go back and forward when you are browsing a series of web pages. Refresh. Refresh is the blue icon text next to the forward arrow. When you are on a web page that needs to refresh, click on this icon to reload the page. The stop. The stop sign icon is used to stop the loading process of a web page. For instance, if your web page appears to have trouble loading, you might select stop, then try refreshing the page. Bookmarks or the favorites. That is the star icon located next to the URL bar is for adding bookmarks. Quick find. To the right of the bookmark icon is the quick find control. You can enter phrases into this find control to search for words on the web page you are browsing. Changing view. The farthest icon on the right is the toggle view button. You can change the view of your web page to either the standard browser view or the web page, or to the code underlying the web page or the source view. To change view, either toggle the view icon or simply select the desired view from the view menu. The print. Though not on the navigation bar, please note that you may print any web page by selecting Print from the File menu. Using tabs. To open up a new blank web page, click on New tab from the File menu. Alternatively, you can select New tab from the new icon of the Bookmarks toolbar. You can then enter a web address into the URL bar to open a new web page. Strata use tabs to display all documents types such as a web page, data tables, or reports. You can open multiple tabs and switch between them by selecting the tab. Additionally, you may arrange your workspace by dragging the tabs around the screen. For instance, if you wanted to view two web pages at the same time, you could drag one time to the bottom of the screen, then when a blue hint box will appear, release your mouse and the two tabs will be tiled horizontally. Additionally, to tile tabs vertically or horizontally, you can select tabs horizontal groups or tabs vertical groups from the View menu. There are three main ways to move between web pages or website. 1. Clicking a text link. 2. Clicking a hyperlink graphics such as a button, photographs, or drawing. 3. Typing the URL of a web page in the location box, or also known as the address field of your web browser, and then pressing the enter or return key. That's all my report about the navigating the web. Thank you and have a good day.